Siri has been around for over a decade, but is it still worth using in today's landscape, filled with smarter voice assistants? Let's dive into what Siri offers now, and whether it holds up against the competition. Siri is Apple's built-in voice assistant, designed to help users perform a variety of tasks using just their voice. From sending messages and making calls to controlling smart home devices, Siri aims to make everyday tasks more convenient. The interface feels familiar if you're in the Apple ecosystem, especially with its seamless integration across devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. One thing that stands out is Siri's ability to recognize natural language, making it easy to ask for information or control apps. However, the user experience can sometimes feel hit or miss. For instance, while Siri can handle basic requests quite well, it can struggle with more complex queries or context-based questions. Intended primarily for Apple users, Siri is meant to enhance productivity and streamline tasks. But if you're looking for advanced features like deeper contextual understanding or third-party integrations, you might find Siri lacking compared to other assistants. Siri does have its strengths. The ease of use is a big plus, especially for those already invested in the Apple ecosystem. Voice recognition is generally accurate for simple tasks, and the integration with Apple services is seamless. However, there are notable weaknesses to consider. Siri can be frustratingly limited in its ability to handle complex commands or follow-up questions, often leading to misunderstandings. Additionally, compared to competitors like Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa, Siri lacks some advanced functionalities and third-party skills, which may leave power users wanting more. If you're someone who relies heavily on smart home devices or needs a voice assistant for complex tasks, Siri might not be the best fit. But if you're looking for a straightforward assistant for basic tasks, it could still be worthwhile. In conclusion, Siri remains a solid choice for Apple users who want a simple and user-friendly voice assistant. However, if you require more advanced features or flexibility, you might want to explore alternatives like Google Assistant. Overall, Siri is worth trying, but it's essential to know its limitations.